Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. In today's video, I'm going to review, demo, and tell you all the things I love about the Prose Skincare line. Big shout out to Prose for partnering with me on today's video to kind of share with you about their skincare line. I didn't even know they had skincare. I always knew them for hair care. So when they reached out to me, I was super excited to figure out what it's all about. And I'm gonna share with you my thoughts and a little bit about why I think Prose is a really awesome skincare line. All right, so first things first, if you don't know what Prose is, they are a one-of-a-kind, like, customization, specific formulas for you type of company. So they did that with their hair care line, which I have used in the past and absolutely loved. And I love that idea of deep customization, one-on-one formulas, made to order formulas. So you're getting the ingredients that you need that are right for your skin concerns, because I don't know about you guys, but skincare ingredients can be insanely overwhelming. Now myself, I love skincare formulas. I love learning about all the different ingredients, but one thing that is tricky is knowing which ingredients can go with other ingredients. And not only that, some ingredients can cancel each other out. Some ingredients can make them more powerful. So it's just can be kind of crazy. And if you're not a chemist, you can end up with serious burns on your skin. You can end up with problems, irritation, didn't know you were causing just by using certain products. So if you're not willing to do all the research that goes into all of the different skincare, then it can be a little bit of a risk combining ingredients and being a little chemist in your own bathroom. So that's what Prose really surprised me with and what I loved about them. All of their products use custom ingredients based off of the skincare quiz that you take. So I'm a huge fan of a quiz, whether it's a fashion quiz like on a fashion website, whether it's a skincare quiz, whether it's a makeup quiz, whatever, I love it, okay? I'm just gonna be so honest. I think it's really cool. It takes me by surprise sometimes with the questions that they ask that I'm like, oh girl, I didn't even know that that could be affecting my skin. So I love that. So they have over 80 factors that go into what your products are going to be and over 15 million different formula combinations in general. But I'm gonna go through and talk to you guys about some of mine, but I will have like a little example of the quiz going on the side. So you can kind of see the questions they ask, but don't just like take my experience of this product for what it is, because at the end of the day, like, you need to figure out what your skin concerns are. Everyone's skin concerns are so different. The same way that everyone who has acne, that acne is not the same thing. Same thing with dark spots. It's not caused by the same reason. Some might be hormonal, some might be environmental, some might be sun damage, whatever. There's so many different effects that go into skin concerns. So I love that Prose kind of asks those deep digging questions to figure out what ingredients are going to be best for you, combine them and give it to you all in one simple product, which simple sometimes is the best. I'm not gonna lie, when my skin is freaking out, I go back to just very simple basic products, but how good is it to know that simple basic products but effective, which is what I think Prose really does. So they give you 3 different products depending on your skin concerns. So the first one is their custom cleanser, and it has my little name on it. How cute. Glass packaging, absolutely love it. I will share my little opening. I unboxed it by myself in my bathroom, but it's all eco-friendly packaging as well, which is really awesome. So my key ingredients are amino acids and niacinamide. I love niacinamide so much. So my skin goals, it reverts back to that, is to cleanse and clear. When taking that quiz, I am somebody who personally knows that if I'm not using a cleanser to properly cleanse my skin, like if I use a cream-based cleanser, my skin is gonna freak out. I'm gonna break out because I tend to get easily clogged pores. So I love that this is all about like cleansing and clearing my skin, but it has a low pH balance, which is gonna make sure that my skin is not being stripped or compromising my barrier at all. I love that this already from the cleanser is addressing my main concerns, which I break out due to improper cleansing. Cleansing is probably one of the most important things, and I myself catch myself not doing it long enough, and if I'm not doing it long enough, I will be breaking out. It's a very simple thing that can seem like so basic, like cleansing is the most boring part of the step, but you need to glamorize it. And one thing I also love about Prose is they offer non-scented products, or they offer scented in different forms. So you can pick like a natural scent, whatever. I love that, because you know what? I know a lot of people hate fragrances. I like it because it's a sensorial experience for me. So I love that Prose does offer both options. So after we've properly cleansed our skin, we need to go in with a serum, a targeting type of product. This is our real heavy hitter. This is the product that is going to address your main concerns and really hone in. So again, custom serum, my little name on it. And this one's key ingredients are hyaluronic acid and longevity mushroom. First of all, longevity mushroom. Mushrooms in general for skincare are incredible. But my skin goals for this serum are purity and glow. So I want my skin to be glowy, even. So again, these are my main concerns, glowy skin and just clear skin, because I do struggle with acne. So again, everybody's serum is going to look completely different. One serum is not going to be the same as somebody else's depending on how you answer the question. Like I said, they have 15 million different formulas, so you probably aren't going to get the same formula as me. And they also take note as to what city you live in, your pollution levels, all that kind of stuff, and then the time of the year. And we'll switch up your formula depending on the time of the year as well. You might need more moisture in the winter and fall and less in the summer. All right, and then the last product, which is the moisturizer, like I said, simple. Very simple, but so effective. Again, custom moisturizer, my name, how cute. And their key ingredients in this specific moisturizer for me is red algae and agastiche. No idea, but my goals for this cream is moisturize and unify. Like basically make my skin even. As you can tell, your girl's gone through it. I love this. This is thick, but not too thick. Like I said, I'm somebody who really enjoys hydration. I mentioned that on my quiz. I can tend to get a very irritated barrier and things like that. Because I choose a jelly foamy cleanser, it can tend to strip my skin, even though, like I said, that one doesn't. I like an extra heavy duty, powerful moisturizer. I love that you can do one simple even coat, but if you're using this at night, I like to even double it up, okay? I do, I'm crazy. I like to literally feel so thick and hydrated at night that when I wake up in the morning, I'm rinsing it off, okay? That's what I like. But anyways, this has been awesome. And as you can tell, girl's gone through it. So that is the Prose Skincare line. A little bit of a breakdown for me, but who I think Prose would be amazing for is somebody who is super passionate about skincare, really enjoys it, really likes learning about different products, but doesn't have the time to research not only which products can be bad to be combined together, which products don't do anything when combined together or cancel each other out. And then the biggest thing I would say is which products in combination can do better things for you. There's so many things that can and can't be paired together, and if you're not keeping an eye out for that and really researching everything that is in a serum or whatever, you might be doing too much, doing too little, canceling things out. There's just so much to be left up to the imagination. So if you just want clear skin and that is your goal, and you kind of want somebody to help you kind of take that guesswork out or be a chemist for you because they have people that are doing that, it is not only dermatologist tested, which, fun fact, I didn't know that dermatologist tested mean that they could just look at it, put it on their hand and throw it up against the wall and say it's crap. That's dermatologist tested. This is dermatologist tested and approved. So you know you're getting a customized serum, cleanser, and moisturizer that's right for your skin type specifically and your goals with your skin type. I also love that Prose, the company, is a certified B Corp corporation. I think it is an amazing commitment to make as a corporation. So that is my thoughts on Prose, why I am loving it so far, why I feel like it is a game changer, and who I think it could be helpful for, whether you are a skincare junkie or somebody who wants to do the least but get the most. I think you will love Prose. I will have all of the details on how you can get your own customized Prose kit in the description box down below. So that is my final thoughts, my review on the Prose one-of-a-kind skincare line, and I have really thoroughly enjoyed it. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, informative, because I know that skincare can be so different from person to person, but I wanted to just review the brand as a whole, because knowing that you are not going to get the same ingredients as I do, but knowing that you will get the ingredients that are meant for you and your skin type is the point that I wanted to nail home. So I hope you guys enjoyed, found this video helpful, and I will see you in my next video very, very soon. Again, big shout out to Prose for partnering with me on today's video.